This is a simple question. If A is 150% of B, then B is what percent of A plus B? I repeat, A is 150% of B, then find B is what percentage of A plus B. Okay, the options are 33 and 1 by 3%, 40%, 66 and 2 by 3%, and 75%. So in such questions, we just have to do some basic manipulation of the given statement so as to obtain the answer. Okay, it's given A is 150% of B. That is A equal to 150 divided by 100 into B, right? 150 percentage will turn into 150 by 100 and of will become multiplication. So A equal to 150 by 100 into B. That is A equal to 3 by 2 into B. So what is the ratio of A and B? A by B equal to 3 by 2, right? Now it is asked in the question, B is what percentage of A plus B? So how do you formulate the formula from that question? B is what percentage of A plus B? So what do we need? We need B divided by A plus B. That is, we have to find out B is what percentage of A plus B. B is some X percentage of A plus B. We have to find out by doing B by A plus B. So now you have got A by B. Now how do you get B by A plus B from that? We'll see. The given formula is A by B equal to 3 by 2. Now what do? You just add 1 on both the sides. So plus 1 on the LHS and RHS. So the equation will be A by B plus 1 equal to 3 by 2 plus 1. So now you take the LCM and solve. So the left side will be A plus B divided by B and the right side will be 5 by 2, right? 3 by 2 plus 1 will be equal to 5 by 2. So now you have got A plus B divided by B. The value is 5 by 2. What do you want in the question? It is B by A plus B. So what do? You just take the reciprocal. So B by A plus B will be equal to 2 by 5. Okay. Now again, it is a question regarding percentages. So B is what percentage of A plus B? So what do you have to do? Just multiply 100 on both the sides. Okay. So B by A plus B into 100. So what will be the answer for that? 2 by 5 into 100. And the answer is 40%. Right? 2 by 5 into 100 will give you 40. So our answer option is B.